Hey guys, so we got a fun little video for you today. So I'm actually standing at the intersection of what was once the old Apache Trail and the new part of the Apache Trail. We're gonna go back down this trail and actually go to where the location was of the old Ash Creek Bridge. And I found a cool little photo I'll show you when we get back there, and I'm gonna try and see if I can match up the I guess the same visual to get a direct comparison from, you know, back in the 20s and then for today. So this should be a cool one, and let's get started. All right, we are at the site of the former Ash Creek Bridge on the old section of the Apache Trail. As you can see, it is no longer standing, but the footings are basically still there. And if you look up here off to the left, you can see where the road used to go. But I'm gonna try and match up the angle from the old picture from the 20s. And it's gonna take a little bit of a hike to get it done. I gotta go down into the creek and then hike up the side of the hill a little bit. All right, to get the picture that I want to get, I think I need to be somewhere up in here. All right, had to climb up all that to get up here. Sorry if I'm a little red, but I'm out of shape, so climbing up here, not the easiest thing. But let's try to get that picture. Yeah, there's something right there. Not sure I want to go through that bush.
12 seconds later.
Alright, as you can see, the road came down this way, right past where the Pathfinder is. Went across the bridge, turned, and came up this way. Basically keeps going up here around the corner, and then circles up around the top and meets up down the road a little ways. You can see some of the spots where they drilled to blast away with dynamite. Cholla cactus, also known as teddy bear cactus, and it is not as cuddly as it sounds. You want to stay far away from these guys because if they get in your skin, it is not pleasant. There's an old shovel hanging from the tree here and some other miscellaneous metal items. Old can. Alright, I hiked up the road a little ways just to see if I could find any more, old rusty stuff laying on the ground, but didn't really see anything. So at some point I would like to hike the old road in its entirety, but I think to do that I'm going to have to park the Pathfinder at the main entrance right next to where the paved road is, hike all the way up this road that you saw in this video, and then cross over where the bridge is and hike the old road all the way back up to the paved road, and then hike down the paved road back to the Pathfinder. So that's for another day. We're gonna go ahead and close this one out here. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.